Welcome to Sardinia, the second largest island in the Mediterranean. Renowned for its pristine crystal clear waters, justifying its nickname, the Emerald Coast. Equally captivating is the island's deep, centuries-old rich history. Additionally, the island has many dramatic and rugged landscapes, with some of the rocky formations having an ancient prehistoric appearance. During our week-long visit, we not only explored all four coastlines, we also visited some of the island's charming villages, ancient landmarks, and even witnessed some of its natural wildlife and marine life. On our first full day, we traveled along Sardinia's beautiful southeast and eastern coastline. We witnessed many beautiful inviting beaches with perfect sun-kissed sands in the extremely blue turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea. It was hard not to stop and take pictures, but we eventually made our way to Lido Ore Beach and Porto Frales Beach, located just outside the city of Tortoli. After traveling a bit further north, just when we thought our coastal scenery couldn't get any more gorgeous, we end our day at the amazing, breathtaking Bonnet Coast, where the Pedro Longa is located, a towering limestone rock formation that rises majestically from the sea. The following day, we succumbed to the irresistible pull of the inviting sapphire Sardinian waters and begin an underwater adventure. I couldn't have found a more perfect opportunity to use my new underwater camera as I witnessed this amazing translucent lunged jellyfish, several sea rays, and an assortment of many other various types of fish, including this really cool looking flying gurnard with its large wing-like fins. The next day, we were treated to more beautiful sights as we traveled along the island's western coastline, passing more of Sardinia's gorgeous unspoiled beaches, which eventually ran into the western cliff region of Sardinia, more commonly referred to as the Costa Verde. When translated, it means the Green Coast. This remote stretch of rugged coastline is known for its dramatic cliffs that offer breathtaking views. I really do delight in sharing these undeniably alluring and awe-inspiring stunning locations with you. However, I also want to make sure you avoid any unnecessary expenses. Take, for instance, the renowned La Palosa Beach, located in the far northwest portion of the island. With the beach's capacity limited to 200 visitors, these tours pay €3 to be packed like, well, how fittingly, sardines on this popular Sardinian beach. However, in their defense, it's easy to see why so many tourists continually visit this location with the long, clear, shallow waters and the white, powdery sand. It's the kind of beach that makes you feel like you have just walked right into a postcard, where everything seems to have been painted by the hand of nature herself. Our next destination was just outside the village of Nora, on the Cape of Pula, located in the southwest portion of Sardinia. A picturesque Venetian settlement established in 1324 and later controlled by the Romans, with the ancient tower of Cotolazzo standing as a beacon overlooking this breathtaking cape. It's a testament to its rich history. As we toured this cultural and historical landmark, we enjoyed seeing the many remnants of the Venetian fortress. Today, you'll find modern art installations reflecting the Venetian ruins, harmoniously blended together, while archaeologists work tirelessly to uncover more history near the Pozzo Prinora Chico. We cap off our vacation in the wetlands outside the city of Cabras, located on the west side of the island. We are getting an early start to our day paid off, as we are fortunate to witness a stunning spectacle about to unfold. No sooner was this beautiful flock of bright pink flamingos relaxing in the warmth of the early morning sun, their tranquility was briefly interrupted as a small group suddenly takes flight, allowing me to capture the wings catching the sunlight and a dazzling display of their rich colors. Whether you're seeking relaxation on any of the dozens of pristine beaches, underwater adventures, mountain hikes, exploring ancient landmarks, shopping for unique souvenirs, or connecting with the island's wildlife, Sardinia has it all. We highly recommend this unforgettable destination to anyone looking for their next adventure. Until next time, ciao.